Electricity Unit 15 Physics Class 10th. Question 1. What is the SI unit of electric current? Answer: ampere. Question 2. Electric current is the flow of answer: electrons. Question 3. Ohm law is represented by the formula. Answer: V is equal to IR. Question 4. The resistance of a wire depends on its answer: length and area of cross section. Question 5. Which of the following material is a good conductor? Answer: copper. Question 6. A device used to measure electric current is called. Answer: ammeter. Question 7. The SI unit of resistance is. Answer: ohm. Question 8. If the current in a circuit is 2A and the resistance is 5 ohm, the voltage is. Answer: 10 voltage. Question 9. The reciprocal of resistance is called. Answer: conductance. Question 10. What happens to resistance when the length of a wire is doubled? Answer: it doubles. Question 11. An electric cell produces. Answer: electric energy. Question 12. If two resistances are connected in series, their total resistance is. Answer: equal to the sum of resistance. Question 13. The instrument used to measure voltage is. Answer: voltmeter. Question 14. The resistance of a conductor increase with. Answer: increase in temperature. Question 15. The unit of electric power is. Answer: watt. Question 16. What is the unit of electric charge? Answer: coulomb. Question 17. The current is measured in. Answer: amperes. Question 18. What is the formula for electric power? Answer: P is equal to IV. P is equal to V square per R. P is equal to I square R. Question 19. Resistance of a wire depends on. Answer: material, temperature, length. Question 20. A resistance is used to. Answer: decrease current. Question 21. In a parallel circuit, the voltage across each component is. Answer: the same. Question 22. The heating effect of current is used in. Answer: electric iron. Question 23. When a current follows through a conductor, it produces. Answer: heat, magnesium, light. Question 24. The resistance of an ideal voltmeter is. Answer: infinite. Question 25. The symbol for resistance in a circuit is. Answer: R. Question 26. Which of the following is a non-conductor? Answer: glass. Question 27. What is the voltage of a typical household supply in Pakistan? Answer: 220 V. Question 28. Which device converts chemical energy into electrical energy? Answer: battery. Question 29. What is the resistance of a wire if the voltage is 12 V and current is 3A? Answer 4. Question 30. When resistance are connected in parallel, their equivalent resistance is answer smaller than the smallest resistance.